Hi guys, it is Patrick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to have you guys here, back on my channel, back watching my videos. Yes. In today's video, I am making one of my favorite Starbucks drinks on the menu. Today, we are making the chai cream frappuccino at home. It is so good. Take like a really good chai latte and blend it, and that's pretty much what this is. It is so good. I think I saw it was either like an interview or a YouTube video with Paris Hilton, and she said that this is one of her favorite Starbucks drinks. So if this is one of Paris's favorite drinks, then it's one of mine too. Literally anything that Paris loves, it has to be amazing. I found the recipe, I tested it out for you guys. It is so good, and it is ridiculously easy to make at home. Oh my gosh, you can do this. You do not have to be a master chef. You do not have to be an expert barista. Literally anyone can do this, and if this is your favorite drink, you really have no excuse not to make this at home. So in a few videos back, I actually made a DIY iced chai tea latte. That's actually one of my most popular videos on my channel, and I have gotten really good feedback from that recipe. People love it. People say it tastes so good. It's very spicy. It's very just really good. So on that video, I show you guys how you can make like a homemade chai tea concentrate. That is amazing. It literally has all of the spices in it. It's homemade, it's from scratch, and the flavor is untouched. But a few of you asked if I could like show you how to make that in a maybe more simple way that's a little bit less time consuming. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a method that is a lot easier, quicker, when you're in a pinch, do this. But if you want to make the chai concentrate at home, please feel free to reference that video. I will have it linked down below. If you want to use that chai concentrate in the frappuccino, you can totally do that. Please do it if you want to. Okay, so I have all of my ingredients, so let's get started on this video. Oh, not this video, this recipe. Okay, so for the chai portion of this drink, I'm going to be using the Oregon chai tea latte powdered mix. Now I actually ordered the chai tea concentrate that comes in like a liquid form, but apparently they were out of that, so they gave me this. We're going to improvise and work with this. You can totally do it with this ingredient. It's just gonna take one extra step, but go ahead and get the chai tea concentrate if you guys want to, or if you want to do it like me, you can totally do this as well. This comes with 10 packets. And when you're not making chai tea frappuccinos, you could use this for your hot lattes, iced lattes, the lattes. This is so easy. It already comes with the sugar, dried milk, dried non-fat milk, honey, the tea, and all of the spices are in this little packet here. You don't have to do any of the work. It's all pretty much done for you. So at Starbucks, we don't really have like a chai tea that we just pour into drinks. We have a chai concentrate. So it's like a little thing that we pump into the drinks that's super concentrated, hence the name concentrate. And pretty much what that means is it's a lot of flavor to a little bit of water, so it is not diluted, and it goes perfectly in frappuccinos to give all that chai flavor but not make the drink like watery. So normally if you're just making this for a latte, you would use 1 packet per 8 ounces of water, but again, we are making a chai tea concentrate, so I think I'm gonna do like this 1 packet to like maybe 3 ounces of water and see how that goes. Okay, so I'm gonna pour about 3 ounces of water into a glass measuring cup and pop this into the microwave until it is hot. And again, you can do this process totally homemade. I have an entire video showing you how to do it, so just the second shameless plug for the chai tea latte video. If you feel better or more comfortable making this yourself, you can totally do that, and I will even look up to you for doing that. Okay, perfect. So our 3 ounces of water is super hot, and now I'm just going to tear open the packet and pour this in. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. How is chai so good? Oh my gosh, I need to get like a chai candle. I forget how much I love the smell so much. It's so spicy. It's just so comforting. I feel so comfy. Okay, period. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So all of this powder was supposed to go into 8 ounces of water, but we did 3, so it's super flavorful and super just yes, love that. So we have our chai concentrate here, so I'm just going to set this aside while we work on the rest of our Frappuccino. Yes. Okay, so like all of my Frappuccinos, I'm going to be using my NutriBullet to blend this up. So I'm just going to build the drink in the blender bottle. And I'm going to pour in 1 cup of milk. Now at Starbucks for this Frappuccino, we use whole milk, but I only have 2%, so that's what we are using today. But feel free, please use almond milk, please use soy milk. And it's actually really, really good with chai. I love chai with almond milk. Oh my gosh, chai with oat milk is so good. So literally, feel free to venture out and try a new milk for this drink. It will be worth it. 1 cup. Oh, and I'm making like a venti, so these are kind of the measurements that I'm using, but please feel free to adjust. So then right to the milk, I'm going to pour in our chai concentrate. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can already tell this is going to be one of my favorite drinks ever. Anything chai is just amazing. Oh my gosh, someone left a comment on one of my videos that I should try like a Starbucks matcha latte with 1 pump of chai. That sounds amazing. I never thought to put matcha and chai together, but I need to do that. So whoever commented that, thank you. And then the last thing that we are going to add is ice. And guys, that's literally it. Just milk, the chai concentrate, and ice. If you want to have this be a super thick and like super creamy consistency, then maybe add a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan. I know a lot of people put that into their Frappuccinos and love it. And if you want this extra sweet, then maybe add a teaspoon of sugar, but it's literally like an iced chai latte, but just blended. Sign me up for that. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this until it is blended, and yeah. Ooh, what? Okay, perfect. So now we have our drink all blended and nice. Now I'm just going to pour this right into my Starbucks cup. Oh no, this is gonna be tricky. Oh my gosh, that kind of worked out perfectly. Yes. Okay, let's get to the toppings. Oh my gosh. So like any good Frappuccino, I'm going to top this with a ton of whipped cream. Yes. Love this. Just to keep the chai aesthetic on top, I'm going to be sprinkling the top of this with some cinnamon. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Why am I tired after making this? I'm not tired. It's super easy. Chill. This is so exciting. I am so ready. Oh, I deserve this. If you're just like at the end of the week and it's been a tough week, you deserve this. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is the chai Frappuccino straight from Starbucks. Straight from Starbucks. This is it to a T. Literally to a T. Oh, okay. You guys, the flavor, it's the chai flavor. Chai is my favorite all-time flavor. It's so good. I don't know what makes it so good. And then just the whipped cream and it's the cinnamon on top just makes it. The cinnamon on top is this drink's cherry on top. It's just, oh my gosh, I could literally drink like 50 of these. I won't, that will cause a lot of problems, but yes, this is so good. Get the ingredients. I will have the full recipe linked down below. Try this out. This recipe is a keeper, yes. Oh my gosh. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you're not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I will have all that information down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.